Hello everybody, got a video here. I got a track system from Rubbermaid. Actually purchased it through Menards. And I wanted to show you guys and tell you a little bit about it. And I think it's a good rack system. There's one flaw that I don't like, but I can deal with it. And here we go, I'll show it to you. Here's the track of it. Pretty simple to put up. There's all these holes down through there, so you're definitely going to be able to hit a stud somewhere if you got a stud finder and know where they are. But this track, I ended up putting it up. It's just got the little back side. It's kind of curved so you can hook onto them. It comes with this here part, which is a plastic cover that goes over it. When you're doing this, you want to make sure it's level too. But this just slides over it. And that's pretty much that on that part of it. They got their Rubbermaid FastTrack label there. And they come with different hooks, like this here one, and they just snap on, and I'll show you here in a second. But they're made pretty good, all except this here rubber part on them. They slide off really easy. When you put these on, you just hook it on the top, press down, and it locks it in place. On these here hooks, this rubber just slides right off. I don't like that, but can deal with it. You can take and hook anything on them really. I got some more here I'll put up. You can do that. You can hang your tools on it. But they're a good little system. I really like them. And they also come with hangers that do weed eaters that I put up. But that's pretty much it. They're really good, made good, except the one rubber part. So don't forget to like my videos, comment, subscribe, and have a great one, everybody. Bye.